Be Sure to Cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, I'm going to be making a quick and easy chimichanga, showing you how to do it a Fiesta blend. So stay tuned and let's do this. As you see, I already have a rotisserie chicken already sitting here that we're going to cut. Okay, I've already discarded the butcher string. I'm not looking for anything but the breast, because in this dish here, you can use the dark meat if you want, but I'm not. Okay, I got this pan that I got here. Instead of cutting this chicken, I thought it'd be best just to pull it. Pull it because it's more tender, and I'm putting it in chunks because I've got a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, and I got it in the mouth. I'm going to add about a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to be using a Chi-Chi's Fiesta mix. Look at all of this. This is not red. It is a clear Fiesta-like style. Remember those wonderful tomatoes and chilies I got? I want those in there. I'm going to add that cup of chicken broth. Okay, on that chicken, when I put it in the refrigerator, all the chicken juice and all the gel went straight to the bottom and it made a gel. I'm going to use that because that's the natural chicken juices that came off this chicken. Okay, that's going to make it have really great flavor. Chicken going on the stove, and it's going to get warm and simmer really low. Okay, guys, I have let this cook for about 15 minutes with that Chi-Chi seasoning mix to juvenate all the good pieces that are in there. Okay, on this side, I got some vegetable oil. I've got it heating up, and I've got half of a pan. Usually people deep fry these, but I'm just going to pan fry them like I'm deep frying them. Okay, I got in a bowl, I've got some Mexican cheese. I got a stack of flour tortilla shells. I'm taking one out, and I'm going to microwave this about 3 to 4 seconds just to get it flexible. Okay, flexible it is. It's nice. It's warm, just the way I want it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get our chicken, and it's still in the juices. So we want to like really kind of strain this a little bit. Some cheese at the bottom. We're going to add our chicken. Okay, then we're going to add a good amount of cheese because we want it to be cheesy. I hope I didn't add too much for this little shell. I'm calling it little, but you can make them really big. I don't want them to be that big because I'm not going to be able to eat. See, you got a little bit of the juice. That's why you got to do that. Then I'm going to open up a can of green chili enchilada sauce. Okay, I'm going to pour it into a bowl. I'm going to add a couple of beans. I like black beans. They're good. And I also like the regular beans. Okay, a little bit of that Mexican cheese right in there because this is going to go. Pop this in the microwave and let that cheese just melt right on there. Okay, I did a little Mexican rice earlier. And I'm just going to pop a little bit onto the plate here. Then I'm going to lay my Chicken Chimichanga Fiesta chicken down. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. I'm going to pour that over there. Oh, I'm doing about a scoop, but I like extra because I like it to go all over. I'm going to add a little of that Mexican cheese to go right across it. I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Just enough to melt the cheese and get everything nice and warm. Okay, let's get that out. Woo-hoo. All right, here you go. This is my Fiesta Chimmy Chicken. Easy, quick way. And here's my Chicken Chimmy Fiesta chicken with rotisserie chicken. Quick and easy, and anyone can do it. Hey, I hope you all guys enjoyed this show. Something quick and easy that you just don't have to do everything at one time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, come back next time so we can make plenty more good dishes. Because guess what? I didn't make this alone. You and me, we did this together, and we can make plenty more. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.